Hello everyone, this is a tutorial on how to use Facebook Marketplace ads. Facebook Marketplace is a powerful tool that connects you with buyers and sellers of different products. Whether you're hunting for great deals or running a business, Facebook Marketplace makes it easy for you. As a seller, you could create listings and have them uploaded to the Facebook Marketplace feed. But if you would like to gain more visibility, you would need to run ads. And that's where Facebook Marketplace ads come in. Facebook Marketplace ads are paid advertisements that allow sellers to promote their products to a wider audience. Once your ad is published, it's going to be displayed on the Facebook Marketplace feed and marked as sponsored. So in this video, we're going to cover all you need to know about setting up Facebook Marketplace ads. First, since you can't create Facebook Marketplace ads directly on Facebook Marketplace, you would need to head over to Meta Ads Manager. So let's do that. So you can simply just type Meta Ads Manager. So this is what the Meta Ads Manager site looks like. So let's go down here to see the overview. Down here is a little overview of what the site does. So what is Ads Manager? Ads Manager is your starting point for running ads on Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, or Audience Network. It's an all-in-one tool for creating ads, managing when and where they'll run, and tracking how well your campaigns are performing towards your marketing goals. So this is what Meta Ads Manager does. To get started, we'll have to go to Ads Manager. So let's do that. To move on to the next stage, you would need to agree to Facebook's advertising policies. So just ensure that you've gone through the policies just to make sure you're following the rules. Okay, so once you've gone through the policies, you can click accept. Excellent. Let's move on. To continue, click Get Started. Once you're here, you would need to choose an industry that best fits your business. Now, this will help Ads Manager to suggest a campaign goal that's relevant to your business. And of course, you can always update this piece of information in your ad account settings. So if you click this drop down, you see that you've got a plethora of options. We'll choose e-commerce. Click Next. To proceed, you need to create a Facebook page to represent your business. Now, the name of this page could be the name of your brand or your business, or it could just explain what this page is about. For this video, we've chosen Bright Light Group as the name of our page. Now let's choose a category that best fits our brand. So we're going to choose accessories. Okay, let's go with accessories. Excellent. Now we'll need to upload a profile picture. So it could be a logo or an image that helps people identify your page in search results. So let's choose a logo. Add profile picture. Excellent. So now we've chosen a profile picture. Let's carry on. So now we've got our page name, the category, and our logo or profile picture, whichever. So we can carry on now. Create page. Now you've got the option of connecting your Instagram account to this page, but for the purpose of this video, we're just going to skip it. As mentioned earlier, Facebook Marketplace ads are paid advertisements, so you will be required to add a payment method. But for this video, let's click Not Now. Depending on your marketing goal, you'll be required to choose one of these two options. So it could be online sales. If your goal is to make sales, you could choose that one. But if you would like to get awareness, then you could choose the second option. Since Bright Light Group is focusing on selling accessories, let's go with online sales since that fits our goal. Okay, so let's click Next now. Beautiful. We're on the next stage now. Before choosing a campaign setup, Facebook gives you two options. You can either choose the Advantage plus Shopping campaign option or the manual sales option. So the Advantage plus Shopping campaign option is an automated AI-driven ad setup that lets Facebook optimize everything for you, like audience targeting and placements. It's designed for businesses that want quick results with minimal manual effort. So it's faster, but you've got less control over targeting and budget allocation. On the other hand, the manual sales campaign gives you full control over settings like budget, audience, and placement. So this option is best if you want to tailor your campaign to a specific audience or strategy. So it all depends on what you want, but for this video, we will choose the manual sales campaign. Excellent, so let's move forward now. So right here is a feature that lets you create a template which will give your sales campaigns a standard. So we're going to scroll down here. So you can see your campaign objectives, awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, ad promotion. So for this video, our goal is to make sales. So that's one chosen here. Then down here, you can see what we call A and B testing. A/B testing is a feature that helps improve ad performance by comparing two different versions to see what works best. Facebook will show each version to a separate group of your audience, and based on the results, you can decide which ad is more effective. Now that we understand how this works, we're going to close it and move on. So until you publish this, it's going to be saved as a draft. Let's go at close. Great. So once you're in, this is what your Facebook Ads Manager dashboard is going to look like. So we're just going to go ahead and create a campaign. So to create a campaign, you go here, go to create, and then you're going to choose a campaign objective. Of course, for this video, our objective is to make sales. So we're going to choose sales and then continue. All right, so we're going to go for manual sales campaign. Click continue. Excellent. As mentioned earlier, this feature lets you give your sales campaign a standard by creating a template. So since we've already talked about this, we're going to just go ahead and click next. Now it's time for the creative part of my ad. So here you can add the name of your sales campaign. Then down here under identity, you can choose your Facebook page. You can also choose to add your Instagram account if you'd like this ad to also appear on Instagram. Then down here, you can see that manual upload has already been selected. And if you scroll down, you can see format. So this is just how your image or video will appear, or the format you would like to upload. So down here, you can see that you've got different formats. The first one is flexible, second, single image or video, there's carousel, and then there's collection. So for this video, let's choose single image or video. And then you've got your destination. So if you'd like to direct people to your website, you can add it here. So when your ad is being displayed, when it's published, they can easily just go to your website. So under Ad Creative here is where you upload your image or video. So let's upload an image now. So here you're going to be required to type in your website, a thumbnail, and your display label. So your display label is still related to your website, so it's just a user-friendly version of your website. So your thumbnail could be the picture you intend to use for the ad. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill in these details. Excellent. Now we're done with the creative setup. Let's move on to text. So click next now. All right. So now we need our primary text, our headline, and our description. So your primary text tells people what your ad is about. Your headline, you could just give it a short headline. Then you could give it a description. Then down here, you've got a call to action, which of course prompts people to take action once they've seen your product. So it could be book now, buy tickets, contact us, download, get offer, get quote, get showtimes, or learn more. So you'll have to choose the one that best fits your product. So we're going to go for learn more. Then we'll quickly just type in something here. Great. So you want to make sure that your headline is very catchy in order to attract buyers. So just make sure it's very catchy. So it's actually the most important part of this text section. Let's move on now to our next stage. So here you can see all your media for this ad. You can see the picture and your logo. So once all of this is done, you can move on to the next stage by clicking next. An interesting feature here is the ad preview. So this lets you see how your ad will appear on the Facebook feed. So this is what our ad's going to look like. So you can see the description and headline, and everything we've filled in for the text appears here. Yeah, so even your pictures and everything. So this is what your ad's going to look like once it's uploaded. And if you want to confirm all the details of your ad, you can come here, just click review. Here you can see everything about your ad and just confirm that it's all accurate. So once you're fine with everything, you can click publish. As you can see here, we've gradually progressed from new sales campaign to new sales ad set and new sales ad. So that is the last stage of your ad creation. All right then, so that's how you create a Facebook Marketplace ad. Thank you very much for watching.